I went to the supermarket, saw these colorful pumpkins. It's autumn, perfect timing. I just knew that I had to do a fine art session with them. So today I have Gray coming to my studio for his milestone session. He did the newborn session with me as well. Milestone session is very important. It's when babies start sitting up, they are more aware of their surroundings. So it might get a little bit challenging. I've had very smooth sitter sessions and some of them are pretty rough, so we'll see how this one will go. I'll take you through the whole process from pumpkin shopping, styling the props, lighting setups, camera settings, the photography process, and I'll show you the final results as well. So it's going to be a mix of art stuff and technical things and pure baby magic. I want the session to feel warm and painterly, something timeless, classic, and with a touch of autumn. I'm starting with the first setup with different colors of pumpkins. Of course, we have the mandatory orange pumpkins in 3 different shades. So we have orange, darker orange, and brighter orange. And I'm combining them with the dark green ones as well as the pale butternut pumpkins to balance off the colors. We are setting them up in dark green background colors with wooden flooring to achieve that classic look. For the second setup, we're going for something simpler. So we'll have this dark gray floor and dark brown backdrop, wooden bed, cute blue mattress on top of the bed, and we'll have the tiny little things. We will have the wooden train, alphabet blocks with Gray's name hidden, and as well as several other things that we also featured in Gray's newborn photos. So it's going to be nostalgic, something the parents will look back and see how their baby has grown from 7 months ago. Whenever I design a session, I try to think about the emotions first. Just try to picture how the parents will feel when they look back at these pictures many years from now. Let's talk about lighting. Today I'm setting up 5 different lights. They're all from Aputure and Amaran, who have kindly sent me the lights. However, this video is not sponsored by them. I've previously worked with them for my Singapore Newborn Masterclass last month in September. And that was the first time I was ever impressed by a continuous light for portraits. I love how the skin tone is so perfect on camera. And I also love the fact that I don't have to worry about my behind the scenes videos because the lights are already there. My key light today is the Aputure 400X paired with 120 Octadome from Amaran. It comes with double diffuser. I also added the grid to achieve this soft directional key light. Then I added the Amaran 300C attached with the spotlight, which will add textures to the background. The first one that I'll be using is the leaf texture, and the next one will be some window lights. And for the next 3, I am using 3 Aputure ATC's lights. The first one is for the fill-in lights. I'm attaching it with the cute, tiny 40 centimeter Octadome with diffuser and grid as well for directed to baby. And then we have the ATC for hair light as well with the fernal and the barn doors, which is very easy to direct. And the last one, the ATC, will be bounced to my ceiling to add in some ambience light. By the way, if you have ever used any of these lights, please share in the comments about what you think of them. I would like to know. What makes it even better is all of these lights, 5 lights, they're all connected to my phone through their app. And I have the flexibility to control them from wherever I'm shooting. I can control the intensity, the temperature, as well as the hue, colors, and everything without having to move back and forth to each lights. For the camera, of course, I use my X2D II paired with the 65mm lens. It is still one of my favorite lenses, and it's going to be for a while until I get a new lens. Focus fit. I do wish that the AFC works on this lens. Unfortunately, it doesn't, so I have to work with the autofocus and with the help of the LiDAR from the X2D II, better face and eyes detection as well. So it works well for a sitter session because they are not moving at full speed yet. If you would like to know more about what I think about the X2D II and the 65mm, I also have a previous video where I showed you more in details. Thank you to everyone who have watched, commented, and subscribed. I really appreciate it. This session turns out a lot better and more beautiful than I expected. I absolutely love the skin tone that we achieved with these lights, and the setups and everything. They just blend in so well together. Most importantly, I love that I don't have to go back and forth to each lights to adjust the settings. I don't have to do any guessing game, and baby is not startled at all. They actually get comfortable quite easily today. Now look at these pictures, the artistic tones, the contrast, the details. And look at Grace's face, so cute. I remember the in-between moments. This is what makes milestone sessions so special, because you capture all the expressions and emotions. It involves everyone's hard work to achieve the final pictures. Fine art photography to me is not just about being perfect technically, but also about capturing emotions, memories, creating an artwork, and most importantly, an heirloom that you will pass to the next generations. Alright, I hope this video inspires you to get creative and experiment with your lights as well. Thank you for spending the day with me. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one.